8th May 1980, talks begin.
Or grown intellect. That's right. That understand intellect. What is that ground I want? मी त्याला कळायला पाहिजे. What is that ground? कळताय पण पलीकडच्या आणि कळताय मला. त्याची मुलालाच सांगितलं नाही आम्ही. ज्याच्या तुमच्या 10 लाख तुझ्या हातात दिलेला आहे. पण तुझ्या हातात दिलेला आहे. तू आहे जे मन किंवा ब्रह्म. ते ब्रह्म आहे. हा त्याचा गुण आहे. ते उद्भवल्यानंतर अजून निर्माण झालंय आणि त्याला हे आच्छादन आहे. आच्छादनानंतर गुण आहे. त्यातले तू ओळखल्यानंतर त्याचा जाणत्या जणांपासून तेही गुण आहे. तो जगाचा ब्रह्म आहे म्हणतो. पण तुला हे वर्ग कोणी सांगणार नाही. You can find all over the country, all over the world, but this particular depth of the matter which has been told in this morning, nobody will tell you else. And it is the crux of the whole show. Nobody will tell the story before. तुम्ही मला कोणी ते आतापर्यंत सांगितलं ना सांगतच नाही. आशीर्वाद देईल, वर देईल, सिद्धी देईल. They'll give you आशीर्वाद, they'll give you hope, they'll give you fools also. स्वरूपाचा अनुभव कोणी सांगणार नाही. ध्यान करण्यात जनाला म्हटलं पण ते धर्मने ध्यान नव्हे तुला ध्यान आहे ते धर्मने ध्यान नव्हे असलेले ध्यान. तुझ्या जगातील अनुभवाप्रमाणे आणि पूर्वक वाक्याप्रमाणे कोटी वर्ष तुका तपश्चर्या करून पुण्य मिळवल्या म्हणून ते झाला तुझ्या काळजात झाले.
and spiritual discipline over a number of years, according to your standard, according to your concept and understanding. Having done that and having attained a certain status and worthiness, you have come here. Because of that, you could come here.
You took your own concept, not your concept. वाईटमध्ये लढायला गोष्टी सगळं तंत्रबंध खालं आणि त्याप्रमाणे योग्यता आलीच म्हणतो तू आला. त्या गोष्टी खऱ्या आहेत आणि त्या खऱ्या जर तुला योग्यता आली अनेक जन्माचं पुण्य आहे.
Everything what you have heard, whatever you have done, is perfectly correct. Having done all those things, your previous birth, etc., according to your concept, having done all that, you have attained a certain worthiness, and because of that, you have come here.
Have you not cleared all the dates now like this? Everything is clear now. That you have done something, and you have to date something, so you have come to the correct source, and you go to enlightenment, all those things. That's your concept. He said, I don't feel anything like that. I know myself well, so I know you also well. Incarnation to incarnation, and you have done some merit, so therefore you have come to this Maharaj. Perfectly right. You are right. Accordingly, ते कारण किंवा गोल म्हणून ज्याला आम्ही म्हटलं आहे ते पूर्ण राज्य कधीच असणार नाही. ते पूर्ण राज्य कधी असणार नाही. त्याच्यात नाराजी पण असणार काय पण महाराज म्हणून त्यापैकी नव्हे. काय महाराज व्हायचं असेल तर हे राज्य पण सोडून
Any amount of knowledge you might gain, and you might get some satisfaction or dissatisfaction, but that will be only in the realm of that salty taste, the food body taste, I amness or the beingness, in the realm of beingness only. Maharaj does not belong to that species of beingness. He has transcended that. He dwells in that unmanifest. So long as you dwell in the beingness, some sort of dissatisfaction is bound to be.
That's why you are only Raji and he is Maharaj. फक्त गुणाची झाला तर महाराज.
पण त्यांनी महाराज
गुणाचे महाराज म्हणजे अर्थ शक्य नाही. त्याचा धर्म आहे जो Raji Narayan Guru.
When you are in that state or realm of Rajiness, to get satisfied, there is a chance of dissatisfaction also. Maharaj has considered both Raji and Naraji, therefore he is called Maharaji. And whatever you say, I understood intellectually everything, that is in the realm of this beingness, Rajiness or Narajiness.
मला बसवली नाही म्हटलं किती ना डेव्हलपमेंट कोणत्या तरी जगात भरपूर धर्म आहे समस्येमध्ये कसं राहील.
And this beingness is the product of the five elemental play. So satisfaction, dissatisfaction is bound to be there.
आता किती आमच्या प्रेम असणार माझी कोणाचे याच्यात तुला नाराजी निर्माण झालीच पाहिजे त्यातून किती वेळ बरोबर आहे.
Husband and wife, they might be
आता आम्ही महाराज घेऊ
but there might be a moment of dissatisfaction between the two.
समजत आहे पण अजून नाही पण आज अशी बातम्या बोल होत ना अजून तिकडून नाराज वैभव जन पण महाराज
Very wealthy person. Very wealthy person. But something might happen and he might get dissatisfaction. Like that, we are in that state. But Maharaj is different.
This is beyond duality. पूर्ण निर्वाणाचा साक्षी महाराज पूर्ण निर्वाणाचा साक्षी महाराज
पूर्ण निर्वाणाचा Maharaj's state is that state to which witnessing of the dissolution of the beingness happens. What is called Guru Kripa.
Is your concept also very good? सनातन गुरु कृपा हे ज्ञान ऐकायला मिळालं.
Here also you also
सनातन गुरु कृपा
you got the opportunity to listen to his talk. Take it, that is the eternal Guru Kripa.
असं झालं म्हणून नाही म्हणतो म्हणून कसं आहे असं झाल्यामुळे असं ऐकल्यामुळे नाही म्हणतो समजलं.
You are a great Pandit or intellectual giant, but having listened to this talk, you say you are a pygmy intellectual.
You have altered your original stance if you nobody. लक्षण विलक्षण आहे. एक मोठा कलेक्टर आहे त्या जिल्ह्याचा घर कामाला एक तरुण मुलगी जाते बरंच वेळाने बायकोही होती. आणखी त्या साहेबाच्या संसर्गाने त्या बाईला मुलगा कमिशनर साहेब
इलेक्ट्रिकच्या कृपेने मुलगा इलेक्ट्रिकच्या कृपेने मुलगा.
आता पुढे नेमकं ते मुलगा उपचार करते
हो
हीच मिळालं
हो
आणि त्याच्या जगात त्याला विद्यालयात शिकवलं खर्च नाही होत. त्याचा माझा विचार करत असताना हा तिची कोणतेही विचार काय त्याला माहिती विचार नको करू म्हणणार असं झालं काय मला तुला माग कोण माहिती आहे तुला अशी वर्मा आहे जगात जगामध्ये अशी वर्मा आहे. या फोन तुला अशा जातीची लोक वरती गेले बरोबर त्याची परंपरा चालू आहे ना.
हो
त्याची हलक्या जाती त्यांना फायदा नाही.
हो
त्यांना जावं लागतं.
हो
त्या बायच्या वाचन गुन्हा लाकडाचा भागा येतो लागला आणि मी काय लागतो त्याचा पोरगा
हा
अशा सगळ्या गोष्टी आहेत. बाकी हिंद आणि दीन मध्ये दुसरा उच्चार घेतो. बाकी हिंद म्हणजे आपलं शब्द शूद्र
आणि
शूद्र
शूद्र आणि क्षुद्र.
मग ईश्वराला अभिमान नाही. तो कशात नाही प्रकट होतो. पण आपल्या योगेला धक्का लागू देत नाही. ईश्वर आहे ईश्वर आहे काय डॉक्टर म्हणून मला एवढा जमलं मी आम्ही बघितलं याच्या 15 वर्षांनंतर कोणती कोणाची कशी म्हणून आज कोणती केला घेतो म्हणजे एवढ्या जमीन लागत. म्हणजे काय झालंय मंत्री झालंय गंध झालंय तंतू झालंय त्यांची मुलं त्यांना बरोबर आहे म्हटलं. आम्ही घेऊन गेलो नाही गेलो म्हणतो लागलो कामं करा समजा झाला आमचं करा अगदी हिंदवा त्याच्यातच तो निर्माण होतो. आता कंठ होण्याची उच्च पद्धती निर्माण होता नाही हिंद एवढा तो ज्ञानात आलेला नाही. ही संस्कृती जाणतो आमची संस्कृती जाणतो एवढा निर्माण नाही.
ठिकाणी 10 नंबर जमिनीमध्ये निर्माण झालं. Very interesting. He said, I heard certain number of stories. There was a collector, and in his house there was a maid servant, an aboriginal. By the grace of that collector, she conceived, and a boy was born. Nobody else knew, probably very few people must be knowing this. And in due course, being the seed of this collector, a brilliant man on ICS, the child was very intelligent. And in due course, he became a very intelligent living person. But he had a lot of pride also. Once, there was some argument between the two persons. So the other person told him, don't tell me, don't talk too much. I know who is your father is. So like that Maharaj says, for in our society, you don't know what is happening. Sometimes out of very low families, some very intelligent persons are born. So there also something like this happens. So what Maharaj says, in he or this, in Shudra or Shudra, Ishvara takes incarnation. In the lowest or the meanest, in the pygmiest, the Ishvara principle will take shape. Because Ishvara has no pride. It can go anywhere. Nevertheless, the Ishvara principle will not get mingled with the low state. It is always very pure, unpolluted. Although it might take birth, it might be created in the meanest or the lowest.
Jnani has no pride.
Therefore, Jnani has no pride.
Only to say higher principles are not usually affected by circumstances.
But don't go into details of this eugenics and this thing. You see where it is to be applied to your own self.
What's the conclusion you say?
And continue to draw. All this pride and everything that I am going to get knowledge is the play of beingness, a product of the objective to the body, out of the fun of the parents, and I the absolute am not there.
So why the Maharaj, those parents anyway? How did you do to us? To our level, that's all. You must be.
Why do you want to keep parents away? You are part and parcel of the parents.
But I think I'm completely missed out. I want to leave my parents outside, absolutely. No concern with it. I can use my
त्यांना त्यांच्या आई बापांना मोकळं ठेवायचंय.
They did their job, and I'm going to do my own job.
So whatever job they have done, that job he is trying to find out the difficulty with the job. That's all.
That's his particular way of approach. That's the question.
But whatever the parents are doing, you are also doing. So there is no question.
In everything, it doesn't matter. Their world is different, my world is absolutely different. Their doing aspects are different, my aspects are absolutely different. In this whole, and I'm trying to find it out. I'm not trying to depart person at all.
आपले वरती बाजूला ठेवायचे त्याने स्वतःच मी ओळखलं.
Something full and perfection, man. I'm find out.
आई बाबांना उभं काढून बघून बोल आवाज पण
Throw out that part and parcel of the parents and then talk.
आई बाबांना उभं काढून बाजूला ठेव आवाज कर
Take out whatever that come out of the parents and then raise your voice.
मुलांनी बाजूला ठेव समजले म्हणा त्याला दिलं सांगतो
See, I think it is unnecessary. That is, if it is unnecessary, he says, no, keep it, that's part of the fact. So, whatever you say, I never want to drag my parents here. My parents did their job. And
You are here because of your
I
parents.
tell you, let me aside, but when I was here, it was finished. Nature performs some causes to some effects. Nature has got to put the control. So, in my parents, nature did the job. And in me, nature left the job in me to do, for me to do. I'm very good. My parents should be like here.
You should not get agitated over this. I don't understand.
I don't understand.
आई वडिलांना मी कृतज्ञ आहे म्हणतो मला जन्म घातला म्हणून. आई वडिलाबद्दल काही बोलायचं नाही. त्यांना सिंहासनावर ठेवायचंय त्यांना.
त्यांना जेव्हा जेव्हा तू बसणार की नाही
Even to keep them aside on a throne and high pedestal, you have to do it. It is not.
अनादी दाम्पत्य आहे
Oh.
पंचमुखे त्रिगुण सगळं त्याच्यातून निर्माण झालेलं आहे अनादी दाम्पत्य आहे प्रभूचे आकार नाही नामरूप नाही तरी पण ते दाम्पत्य सगळं हजर आहे नित्य आहे
In the form of Prakriti Purush, that is the eternal couple, together with 5 elements, they are eternal principles.
या प्रकृती पुरुषाच्या हक्काशिवाय शब्दाला अर्थ कधी असलं शक्य नाही शब्दाला
Prakriti Purush and their activity,
नुसता धरून अर्थ नाही
there will be no meaning to any word. काही सांगितलं म्हणजे आपल्या अगदी व्यक्तीच्या जाणीवर घेतात स्वतःला कवटाळून आणि त्यांना वाईट वाटतं.
त्याच्यातून हे सगळं निर्माण झालं आहे
By some natural process, I was talking to this. And something in my nature tells me I had some fullness of person in me, I can find it out, I have to tell it again. So, it is not a comfort.
No, it is not. Here we have to take it totally. You see, you can't only take a bit of it.
He is coming to the natural process and try to find out what is this natural process.
Why will it bother me?
Because that is the source of your ionization. Your ionization will come only from that. Therefore he has to come back here. Not otherwise.
You can't remain a fragment and try to understand the whole.
This is Maharaj's particular approach to this particular point. So his particular approach to prove to you what is the word for which I is. That's all. With which you are inquiring all over the world. Is it that important or is it that wonderful what you think? On one side is Ishvara, on the other side is Maya. What is that? That he wants to tell you, that's all. The process which brings forward a man you see, which brings something which is bigness and gives him a charm for fulfillment. That process can never be. That could be also a concept, isn't it? That could be also.
आई बाबा ईश्वर अवतार घेतो हिरण्य धर्म
This is out of even any it's the same way. Whatever avatar, whichever avatar, if you God avatar, अंड फोडायला तयार नाही तर बघायचं कसं कुठलं अंड कसं रेफ्रिजरेटरमध्ये घालतो कधीतरी आपोआप I have come here. I said, I want liberation. Maharaj, so Maharaj is asking me, in effect, I want liberation. Who is this I that is seeking liberation? Have I found? So I said, no. So Maharaj is telling me, I am concerned with my body and the consciousness or the mind of the concept of the consciousness which has come into this body. Now Maharaj is telling me, I am very proud in the sense that I want liberation. So he is again telling me, find out who I am. And in doing so, he is telling me that I am considering myself from this point of view of this body as it is. He is telling me, go back further. He is basically. So he said, go back further to the fetus in my mother's womb. How did that fetus come into the mother's womb? He is telling me that what I am now, this body, is the fetus. And the fetus is my father's sperm which has germinated in my mother's womb. So wait a minute. So ultimately he is telling me, what am I? I am my father's sperm which has germinated in the mother's womb. That is all I am, which is a speck of that sperm. It's true. Wait a minute. Therefore he is telling me, what am I glorying about? Who is this I that is wanting liberation? Therefore, what he is telling me on the palm of my palm is that it is this sperm which has germinated and within which has come this consciousness. You see? So it is all that is there. Now, that has certainly happened. And what has certainly happened has a time limit. And after that time limit, whatever has turned up will disappear. Therefore, he is asking me to see who it is, who am I? I am not that object. He is telling me to see that I am subjective. I have nothing to do with that objective happening. And therefore, this liberation it is merely a concept. He said merely the liberation from that concept is liberation. And I, as the subject, has nothing to do with it. Understand that and be quiet. That is all Maharaj is telling me.
But yesterday you want to put to promise that I will try to govern body mind concept.
This is it. This is it.
But dwelling on this matter, I feel I am keeping myself in body concept.
Therefore, if I understand that what has been shown is the objective part, and I am apart from it, that is the end of it. As far as I am concerned, that is the end of it. I have nothing to do with what has happened. I am apart from it. And all I have to wait is for the time limit of whatever has happened to pass. For that happening which is happening, to take its time limit. It may be as Maharaj said, 8 hours in some cases. Whatever has germinated is died. In some cases, I'm 63. It might go on for a few more years. I have to just wait and observe whatever is happening. Whatever is happening, I have nothing to do with it. I'm convinced of it. That is when Maharaj said, have I taken delivery of what it is? I said, yes, I have taken delivery of it.
It's your presence to your own man.
But you know that
It's my own man. When Maharaja wants me, that you must come to improve from bodily consciousness. I don't want to do one system to mind at all. I want to people. I want to be remain in a state of pure awareness as one to do. So I feel these very concepts are necessary with the instructions of Maharaja going forward. So I accept, I have taken it in this matter. And I think I'm quite right. I feel that I'm following Maharaja quite correctly. And it will come when I will establish an institution. I say, when you will, I will establish an institution. Because of the urge, I'm telling it.
पण तू एकच मला असं असं करायचं मी त्या विचारतो मी हा कोण आहे
नाही हे जे मी आता ऐकून घेतलं आहे ते योग्य वेळी मला पूर्णपणे समजून येईल पण असं मला पूर्ण खात्री आहे
तो पुढे यायचो ना आता जायचं आणि योग्यच तुला समज तुला लोक भेटायचं ना
He said, now you got whatever you should get. Digest it well. And when it sprouts naturally, then only come to me. And with this whatever you got, you go with it.
This was going on 19.
जायचं तुला सरळ भेटायचं तुला तुम्ही माझी भेटायचं सरळ म्हणलं
Usually, that's my purpose. His very presence will help you to get this happening. What you say, man, I don't understand. So, आपने इधर
तुला वर्णन घ्यावा लागेल रामाने
Sri Ram took Vanvas, you will have to take Vanvas until the whatever you are expecting comes to you. Something Balbat from 19 onwards. Because you will बहुत दूर रहेगा.
आम्हाला ज्ञान झालंय त्यांनी आम्हाला शिकवण काय तुम्हाला बाबा बदले प्राचीन हे काय होईल म्हणतो की नाही काय म्हटलं हो माझं कर्मी ठेवलेले होते फुलाचे कुठकडे बसमध्ये त्यातून एका मला तर बोलू नका काय तुम्ही लहान घालायचं त्याच्या बघून कब्जात बघत घालायचं त्याच्यामुळे मला आलं गेलं तर मोबाईल लावून मला करायचं एक होतं गेलं माझ्या बी सांगितलं हाल घाल म्हणून ना उचलला तसं आम्ही उचलल्यावर मुलांना फुलं आहे मग ते फुलाचा घटला काही बाकीच्या फुलं साफ हार गावातलं म्हणावं आपण बाकी सगळ्यांना साफ दिसला त्याला फक्त फुलाचा अशी विद्या
This is very important. So Maharaj says, you want to keep on coming, but he says, you are talking always of receiving Guru's grace. But he says, and how can that Guru's grace be received? He gives an example. He said there were several Shishyas. So the Guru told each of them, there is a basket in that corner. You pick it up, whatever it is in there, put it round my neck. But whatever you see in it, you either do it or don't do it. But if you don't do it, go and sit back in your place. Everybody came there, the moment they looked in, they found a serpent. So they just didn't do anything, went and one last chap remained, like you see. And he said, Maharaj has said, whatever Maharaj is saying, I will do it. So earlier Maharaj said, if at 12 o'clock I say it is 1 o'clock, you say, yes sir, it is 1 o'clock. That kind of belief must be there. Anyway, this last chap went there, closed his eyes, picked up whatever was in there, put it round the Guru's neck. And it was turned into a garland of flowers. So the others were surprised. Because they thought, according to their concept, it was certain.
Sir, I have always believed, and I want to believe it, that Guru's days, straight falls to the, comes to the disciple, and he will make proper condition for it. It is his responsibility, not Shisha's.
जबाबदारी आहे. सर्व त्याच्यातलं काय बदल करायचा तो तुम्ही करा आणि ते दुसऱ्या ज्ञान द्यायचं. बदल केलं सांगितलं
And then you must sign whatever he tells you.
what does it do?
Everything. Don't ask any question. Okay. So here it is said Vara. Vara who breathes air. The air of Sai Baba has come. The air of that body has come. The common word here is Vara. Vara means air, breathe. That means what? The consciousness must be there of that person first. His consciousness must be available. And then this breeze of Sai Baba or that goddess or this goddess sprouts out of that consciousness only. The basic raw material is the consciousness. Or Dhara. Vara, Vara. Vara means breeze. Equal to Bhor. 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 In English word is पछाडला असा शब्द आहे.
काय समजा पुढे जायला म्हणून पण झाला
हो.
आणि साहेबाबा तो आला ते काय पछाडलं बरोबर पछाडलं म्हणलं अभेद काढलं पण झालं म्हणजे
There are certain meanings to get possessed. The certain meaning is that ailment, suffering is indicated by the word possess. But suppose the spirit of Sai Baba possesses somebody, it's not an ailment, it's not a suffering. So the better word Maharaj says is that Vara, the breeze of Sai Baba is sprouted out of it.
Sai Baba, once they had Dattatreya, I saw that.
We mentioned Ramakrishna also. He likes Ramakrishna also has money.
त्यांची जास्त आवड आहे म्हणे. साईबाबांची जास्त आवड आहे म्हणे. उदाहरण देता आपण.
मग त्यांनी सांगितलं मोठी होऊन त्याच्यामुळे मला कळतच नाही.
Somebody mentioned this story that I am telling you. As a matter of fact, they are not apart from me. There is no division.
साईबाबाला जाग आल्यानंतर ह्याच्यात उभा राहिला होता नाही हा साईबाबा म्हणून बोलतोय साईबाबाला माहिती नाही
हो.
हा पण साईबाबा म्हणून बोलतोय
हो.
माणसं सगळीकडे गेली
साईबाबाला
पण
माहिती.
साईबाबाला माहिती साई येतो
There is a person who got possessed by Sai Baba and understood by the devotees. And he talks also as I am Sai Baba. But the true Sai Baba does not know about this affair, what is going on. Because the true Sai Baba you must understand is the actual statement. He is referring to that true Sai Baba is actual. Because that the actual does not know itself.
लौकिका म्हणजे साईबाबा इथं असं म्हणून इथं कुठली पण
हो हो हो
त्याच्यामध्ये साईबाबा कसा होता
हो.
इत्यादी मध्ये
He said no. Sai Baba, in common parlance for the normal people, normal devotees, he had a beginning and he had an end. He had that body and beingness and he took samadhi, that was the end of it. But the true Sai Baba has no beginning and no end. He is eternal, absolute principle. And it is still to the followers. आमची सुद्धा परिस्थिती तशीच आहे ना. आम्ही सुद्धा सत्य दिसतेच ना. ऑफकोर्स
हेच कळायला पाहिजे
दिस इज यू अंडरस्टूड रिअलाइज
अवयावपूर्वी जन्म झाले आणि गेले कोणाचे
millions of births have taken place. Whose? Millions of births have taken place and dead also.
जन्म होता त्यांनी प्लाझ्माचा कोणाचे माझं कोणी सुटलं नाही
This riddle of mind is already solved. Whose birth and death? Millions of births and millions of deaths are daily taking place. Whose? That question, as regards me, I got it solved.
का हे भान मोक्षाला जाते.
हो हो भान मोक्षाला जातो.
हे अमका जमका हे भान मोक्षाला जातं.
हो
बाकी हे भान ज्याच्यात निर्माण होते कसं आहे.
This apparent feeling that I am this or I am that, this type of a feeling gets liberation, but the principle behind it remains as it is. Stay put. No change in that. The apparent principle behind all this remains as it is.
आणि पुनर्जन्माचं पुनर्जन्म उत्तर भेट घेत आहेत तात्पर्य तुमचं साक्षात्कार दाखवतात.
हो
पण किती जन्माचं साक्षात्कार दाखवतो चैतन्य.
हो
रोज कोट्यावधी जन्म होतात, कोट्यावधी मरतं.
हो
मग त्याच्या पुढे काय झालं, त्याच्या काय पुढे काय दिसून.
हो Immediately the practice, you see, among these mystic writers, to write about previous birth and future birth. See how long, to what extent they can write about future birth and past birth. How far can they go? You might follow one person and go backward, but there are so many other births also simultaneously happening. So what are you going to tell? To what past, to what extent you are going to go into the past, so also into the future.
तुम्ही गुणानुवाद सगळे मला लिहायला 7 सागराची शाही पूर्ण हे जन्म ते जन्म ते जन्म ते जन्म असं तसं तसं चैतन्याला स्वभावून द्यायचं आहे ना.
हो हो
किती लिहिली.
One poet says, if I had to write about all your births, previous and future, even the ink made out of 7 seas will not be enough.
मला मोठ्या झाल्यानं मोठं होता कोणाचं ज्ञान काय सांगू.
हो
ज्ञान म्हणजे काय कोण आहे.
हो
अशी म्हणजे परिस्थिती किंवा
suppose he says, I am installed in a big congregation and I am requested to talk on knowledge. He says, whose knowledge? And what knowledge? And to whom?
ऐकलेल्या वाचलेलं काही ध्यानात नसतं तू काय सांगशील.
हो if there is nothing in the realm of your memory, whatever you have heard or whatever you have listened, absolutely blank, then what are you going to talk about? Whatever you have heard is also not there, then what are you going to talk about? After retired, you collect all stories externally.
म्हणून असं वाटते की माझ्या मुली माझी माहिती बोलतो की 7 सागराची शाही बोलणार नाही. त्याची माहिती काय सांगणार. माझ्या मुली माहिती बोलत असतो. तो म्हणतो तो सत्संगकारी बोलतो.
So whenever I am inclined or inspired to talk, I talk only about myself. If I have to talk about this phenomenal world, about birth, etc., again I repeat, the ink of 7 oceans will not be enough.
संतांच्या काळामध्ये ज्ञान अज्ञानाचा व्यवहार
हो हो हो
काळामध्ये सत्व आम्हाला
all the so-called profound talk regarding knowledge and ignorance will be in the realm of that consciousness which is sustained by this protection. In the realm of consciousness, time bound. Jnana and ajnana, both so-called jnana, so-called knowledge, and also ignorance in the realm of consciousness, time bound state.
तत्वामध्ये त्रिभुवनाचा रस गाळून पडलेला आहे. त्याचा सगळं काय आहे, जग आणि जगाची माहिती उद्भवलेलं आहे, काय तत्वामध्ये आहे बाहेर.
The entire knowledge of the creation of the world and spirits in the world lies within the consciousness, which in turn is sustained by the quintessence of the food body essence, which is made of 5 elements. Five elements, food essence, quintessence of the food essence is this body, and the quintessence of that quintessence is the knowledge I am consciousness. And that knowledge of consciousness contains the entire knowledge.
त्याला कोण काय बोलतोय, तू काय बोलून त्याला म्हणलं ना.
If anybody talks something, I will never say you are wrong.
ऐकू नाही वाईट नाही किंवा स्मरण झालं का बोलतोय. आता चूक किंवा बरोबर होतं काय.
There is no question of right or wrong if anybody says something. Because he is talking whatever he has heard or whatever he has read or whatever is inspired him.
काय असे म्हणे, माझ्याकडे असण्याची ओंकार असतात.
हो हो
आणि ओंकार असताना मी अमकार चमकार नाही असतो.
हो हो हो
ओंकार असताना मी अमकार चमकार. काय असलं तर ओंकार असतं, काय नाही तर ओंकार आहे. आम्हाला जन्म करतो ओंकार.
Unka is very interesting word. Unka means sort of a breath. The breath coming out, that is I amness. So long as that body is there, that I amness feeling strikes. I amness. And when I amness is available, then you say amka or tamka. I am this, I am or that. I am so and so.
म्हणजे माझे ब्रह्म आहे, अमका आहे, व्यापारी आहे, अमका आहे, योगी आहे, जपी शक्ती आहे, तेव्हा काय म्हणजे अमका आहे.
हो. All the titles which you try to possess, that I am a yogi, Mahayogi, Hatha Yogi, all Jnani, Brahma, etc. So long as that Humka, I am next is available in the food essence body. That means food essence body should be next there, so also the I am next must be there.
बहुजन लोकांना
Therefore, whatever I expound is not for the consumption of common man, for the masses.
So mention of Ramakrishna was there in this connection. Mention of Ramakrishna was there. In this connection, Ramakrishna is going to say that when one learns music, Sare Gama Pa Tha Ni, you see, one can stand on the high pitch of Mi for long. Ni comes for the stands for the highest note. So what he does, very often he comes down and then he goes up. Initially it was the great. But what I find, our Maharaj never comes down, he's always there. Is it that? It comes into duality, always speaks with a dead stand.
उनके पर्सनॅलिटी आपण अंतिम नंबर ऑफ गुरु अवेलेबल होऊन ते त्याबद्दलच सांगतात, द्वैताबद्दल बोलतच नाही.
म्हणजे भौतिक ज्ञान आहे. लौकिक ज्ञान कोणाला माहिती नाही, कमी घ्या, थोडा नाही, कोणाला कमी घ्यायचे, कोणाला नाही घ्यायचं, पण लौकिक ज्ञान.
दिस लौकिक इज नॉलेज, phenomenon world is knowledge. Everybody knows. Either little quantity or more quantity, but it's available anywhere.
मध्ये मोठं अवतारूप त्याचं आहे. आता त्याच्यामध्ये आम्ही जे कला विद्या आहे त्या कशा अगदी सूक्ष्म सुसुप्तीत असं लागतं.
हो हो
सूक्ष्म तुम्ही म्हणता की नाही कसं होतं आणि सुप्त राग अशा अवस्थेत त्याचं वैभव आहे आता यायला. पुढे नंतर तो जगामध्ये फार
He says, now you take an infant, a small baby, very small baby. And then that baby is actually a great man. The baby of a great man. Now all the skills and qualities which got expressed in due course when that infant becomes a good man. In the infant stage, they are already in a nascent or dormant condition, stabilized in the infant. Try to understand this way and enjoy the quietude and peace. Understand this principle.
त्याला वागावं लागलं वागलं तेव्हा काळी कसं वागला
Oh.
का वागावं लागलं
Oh.
तेव्हा
Why did he express himself in certain way? How and why? What was the cause of that? Understand this now.
आता तुम्ही मध्ये कंट्रोलबाजी केली का तर कोणाला
Did he achieve something very special on his own?
अदृष्ट दुसरं वावरले
What do you have with it? Whatever was already in the surplus state got expressed.
So the potential got manifested.
Yes.
अदृष्ट जबाबदारी वावरले
Again repeat, in the adrushta, in the unmanifest or in the surplus principle, it was already there in dormant condition. That only got expressed in the growth state.
माझ्या जनाचा तिला काय उपयोग होणार
How are you going to put to use the knowledge which I am expounding?
And with his passion, us to clear, then to form the view in the mind, what is due to this vocation. And then to, when the essence of the teaching are got, then to try to get it absorbed in it.
Smarana, Ravanam, Manana, Nidhyasana.
ये करना तो when you go beyond that, I'll find all this.
First you have to become one with it, then you transcend that. तो ते समजून घेतल्यावर ते निरुपयोगी ठरणार. And the highest state is Nishkam Parabrahma.
8th May 1980, talks continued.
So long there are desires, then the question of good use or bad use. Once it is thoroughly understood and it is transcended, then Nishkam Parabrahma. There is other titles, Nirvan, no sample, Nirgun, no quality, and Niranjan, no stigma, unblemished.
You
And that state is yourself. I am that. You say whatever you like. I am that.
हकीकत महायोग भेटणार ना भेटतो त्या जाती जाणार
You might come across Mahayogis, but they will not be of this type.
I've come across Mahajan, and I do get a difference.
नहीं बेटर है महायोगी ना, बताने वाला फर्क जानते हैं.
सब एक योगाचा निर्वाण आहे निर्वाण आहे.
This state is a dissolution of that Mahayogi.
महायोगी अंती ज्याच्यामध्ये सामावता
This is the state in which the Mahayogi state merges in, stabilizes and loses its identity.
समजतो
I repeat again.
काय म्हणजे असं काय आहे मला हा प्रश्न येतोय ज्ञान काय तुला येतोय दिवसाला काय मध्ये आया
I reiterate, what is it inside that makes me get this experience. What is the principle inside his body that makes me realize I am and gives me the experience.
The way it is said that the supreme knowledge is silence doesn't mean that it is an unmanifested. It is unmanifested.
अगदी वरच्या दर्जाचं जे ज्ञान आहे ते मौनात असतं असं का म्हटलं जातं? कारण ते अव्यक्तात आहे का? त्यामुळे
मौनाच्या आधीच आहे ते.
इट इज प्रायर टू सायलेन्स ऑल्सो. It is stabilized in a state which is prior to silence.
ते मौनाच्या आधीच आहे.
It is previous to Mauna also.
That is no conflict.
Don't say beyond, say prior. Beyond means you keep it away out of you.
मौनाच्या आधीच आहे.
Beyond.
मौनाच्या आधीच आहे.
Prior. Recede into.
Adhyavastha. Climate state.
Unsystematic. Avastha.
बघायचं.
Okay.
That is certain.
Then, as I know that Tattva has no quality,
Yes.
unchanging, shapeless,
Yes.
colorless, all this.
You also repeated that.
So, how something has happened in that? Something has happened and this has happened now. It has come out now.
त्याला आकार नाही, त्यामध्ये हालचाल नाही, काही नाही, तर होतं कसं हे? असं त्याचा प्रश्न.
त्याच्यात दोन्ही बांधल्या चालणार.
You dive deep into that fatless state, then you will understand. Dive deep into it.
हे आपण झालं.
You must be the fatless. Then you will realize how all that happens.
Which would to say, without diving in, as has been said, those who have dived in perhaps, in such place also there is movement in this thing, in this proper to say like that.
न मानता जे बुडी मानलेले आहेत त्यांच्याकडनं असं समजून घेता येईल का त्या सूक्ष्मात सुद्धा काहीतरी हालचाल असते, तरंग असतात, असं म्हटलं तर जाईल का?
सूक्ष्मामध्ये आकाशाच्या पेक्षा उंच लाटा आहेत.
In the success, there are waves taller than the sky also.
There are waves taller than the sky. But it becomes again a dual thing, isn't it so?
एक उपाधी लावली अति सूक्ष्माला, आकाशापेक्षा उंच लाट आहेत.
तसं आहे ते.
हो, yes, there are. They are dashing against each other.
Possible by the senses.
म्हणजे सत्य म्हणजे अगोचर आहे असं म्हटलं चालेल का?
अगोदर नाही, अगोदर आहे, अगोदर आहे.
It is in the guilty. Because it is agodar, that's why because it is agodar, thereby it is agochar. Agodar means prior to senses.
पूर्वीचंच आहे ते.
It is ancient, prior to the appearance of your senses. And that's why it is agochar.
There are various types of sun's rays, colors, which are personal to the sense. But the dual sense. That was next right. But the dual sense and the operation.
You are a limited being. I told him when we are having some excellent talk recently, might be you must have stimulated. This type of talk is not good for the public.
But yeah.
When they come to your stage, when the masses come to your stage, then it might be.
उत्पत्ती केलं चालेल पाहिजे जगाची.
You can say he is adept or the perfect in a particular branch of his science when he understands the meaning of the creation, sustenance, and dissolution. When this is realized, then you can see his perfect. until then he imperfect only.
आखी जगाची उत्पत्ती नाही करता आणि म्हणजे तेव्हा सायन्स पूर्ण झालं तेव्हा.
When the scientist,
Then he can.
सायन्स कशाला म्हणतात?
he said, yes. Now he said, science is, it does something. By experiment, it does something. So you can say the scientist is perfect, provided he can create the universe, sustain it and destroy it.
What is there learning about it is no good. Einstein, the greatest scientist the world has ever produced. It was very materials itself. After so many years of scientific research, the only thing I can do now is to sit quiet and to think the greatness of the supreme creator who created the universe in perfect order.
म्हणजे काय होतं?
What was that Einstein?
काय निर्णय होती?
What was that article or what was that matter known as Einstein?
And understanding after knowledge.
ज्ञान जाणून घेणार.
चेंज झालं.
That's all right.
चिन्हच काय?
But what is that object? What is that article? Einstein.
We have given consciousness.
एक मातीचा कण ज्याला जाणीव पण दिलेली आहे, ज्याच्यामध्ये जाणीव आहे.
म्हणून मी सांगितलं पोहोचतो आता असं आहे सगळं ते चुकता होते माझ्या आहे. काही कामांनी जगामध्ये विचार झाला काय पोहोचले म्हणून काय आहे ते?
No, I am bringing you back to that infant who was destined to become very great and who became very great. Everything was in a dormant condition, in that subtle state. What is that infant?
म्हणून तुम्हाला सांगतोय मी ते सगळं ज्ञान झालं ज्ञान आहे काय आता मग काय मध्ये आहे काय कशाचा मला असल्याचा गुण आहे ज्ञाना गुण कशाचं एवढं बघतो.
Having listened to all this talk, now he says you try to find out what is that principle in your body that says I am. What is that quality? Ponder over it.
हे तुम्हाला याचा अर्थ कोण जगात का कोणत्याही मोठ्या ज्ञानाच्या पद्यावर
Once you get to know this, I am, then whatever type of highest knowledge that is available in the world, you will just would not carry it up with.
9th May 1980.
9th May 1980 talks begin.
तरी पण त्याच्यात कमी करत राहिलं पाहिजे पर्यंत असावे ही चैतन्य अनंत अपार खरं करता येत असेल तर केला पाहिजे पण त्या जातीने केला पाहिजे.
Consciousness is universal consciousness. But in that consciousness, if some questions arise, if any questions arise in that consciousness, let them come up. But the questions must be from the point of view that you are concerned with consciousness and not with the body. On that basis, the questions must arise.
घरातून बोलत नाही माझ्या वस्तुस्थिती वस्तू परिस्थिती म्हणतो.
Maharaj himself does not refer to any books or something to justify his or support his view. He speaks from personal experience alone.
आणि जाणीव याचा योग झाल्यानंतर जाणीव काया जाणू लागल्यानंतर माझ्या ग्रहणाला सुरुवात झाली. ग्रहण करणे न करण्याला सुरुवात झाली तेव्हा काया ग्रहण झाल्यानंतर कायाग्रहांमध्ये आईने ते मुलगा किंवा मुलगी सांगितली तोपर्यंत माझे मला काहीच ज्ञान नाही. मी आहे नाही कोण काय काही ज्ञान नाही. आणि ते सांगितल्यानंतर कायारूपी सुप्तावस्थेत असलेले चैतन्य त्या बारीकशा कायेच्या रूपाने सुप्तावस्थेत असलेले चैतन्य हळूहळू प्रगल्भ होतो. त्याच्यातून जगात मोठे मोठे लोक तयार झालेले आहेत, मोठमोठ्या उतारी निर्माण झालेले आहेत. पण मूळ अवस्थेत काय त्याच्यातून विचार केलेला आहे.
Maharaj says he is always given importance to that state before the conscious. Physical functions automatic. It is only after the mother tells the infant that it's a boy or a girl, and the infant begins to be aware of the consciousness, and from then on, all the concepts, actions have taken place only after the consciousness became aware of the body. Is it accepted?
कायची ओळख करून देईपर्यंत आपल्याला आत्मज्ञान काय होते.
Until the mother tells the infant and gives knowledge that it is a body, it is a male or a female, until then, did the infant have any knowledge about itself? It was the mother who told the infant that he was going to develop the boy's blood. But प्रश्न नाही म्हणतो पण त्याला
प्रश्न नाही याच्यावर बोलतो इथं तुझं बोल.
त्याचं म्हणणं
प्रश्न दिसतो नाही. आम्ही काय बोलतो त्यांचं काय आकलन नव्हतं तर बोलायचं.
त्याचं म्हणणं असतं की आईनेच सांगितलं पाहिजे का की काय आपण होऊन समजतो नंतर समजतो की मी मुलगा आहे की मुलगी आहे वगैरे की आईनेच सांगितलं पाहिजे.
आईने सांगितल्यापर्यंत सांगण्यापूर्वी तेव्हा त्याचा अनुभव काय.
Until he was told by the mother, because 99% it is the mother. Until the point is, until the infant is told, does it have any knowledge of the body, all itself, as an individual?
आता नंतर ते सुप्त अवस्थेत असलेले ते मूळ रूपाने असलेले शरीर मुलाच्या रूपाने असलेले शरीर त्याच्यातून खूप वाचा त्याला ज्ञान येणार.
And this consciousness, which is in the latent state, earlier in the infant, then when it gradually matures and accepts various kinds of knowledge, that infant, which didn't even know itself, may turn out to be a very big man, very successful in any field.
नंतर ती मूळ वाचा त्याला ज्ञान नावाले बुद्धी नावाले मन आले नावाले होते. आणि नंतर चतुराई नाना प्रकारची याच्यातून वाढली. पण ही कशी वाढते आणि काय याचं ज्ञान त्याला नाही, स्वतःला नाही.
This consciousness in its early stages was latent. Gradually, as it develops in maturity, it acquires various kinds of skills and knowledge. And in course of time, it may become a very big person. But basically, it is still the infant. And how that knowledge grows, this originally was the consciousness and the mind developed. Later on, it became knowledge. After it acquired, it came to be known as knowledge. But how that growth takes place, it is not aware of, it doesn't know as an individual. It grows naturally.
तुमच्या बाबाने फुकट ज्ञान आहे पण एकूण ज्ञान लौकिक ज्ञान आहे. ग्रंथ आधार आहे त्याला लौकिक ज्ञान आहे. एकमेकांकडून घेतलेले अभ्यास केलेले लौकिक ज्ञान आहे, अलौकिक ज्ञान नाही. म्हणजे लोकांच्या जाणण्यामध्ये नसलेले लोकांच्या जाणण्यामध्ये नसलेले जे काय आहे त्याचं ज्ञान कोणाला नाही. असं वागा कसं वागा ते वारे धर्म आहे आमचं हे सगळं लौकिक ज्ञान आहे. अलौकिक ज्ञान नाही. नाना तर ते आता शोधक झालेले आहेत. काय नाव त्याचं
आईन्स्टाईन
त्यांनी मोठा शोध लावला. पण आईस्क्रीम म्हणजे काय हे बोलला का?
Very knowledgeable people who have acquired great things, who have done great things in their respective field. But all this knowledge concerns the phenomenal world, and all the knowledge is regarding material world. Now he gives an example of Einstein. Einstein has discovered a lot of things. He is well known. But did Einstein know what Einstein is made of?
त्याची माहिती किती का त्यांनी?
Did he give any information about Einstein in its originality?
That is from the subject matter of his search. The mysteries are available in the universe. It is true. It comes from the phenomenal universe. That's it.
आकलनाने आम्ही जाणतो आहोत. चेतनाची काय हल्ली चैतन्य चेतनाची काय हल्ली ती कळल्यातून आम्ही आकलन घेतो. त्याचं आकलन म्हणजे काय त्याचा फोटो घेता येणार नाही. पण आकलन घेऊनच जगात चाललेला आहे.
आईन्स्टाईनचं जे होतं
लौकिक ज्ञान सांगतो मी. लौकिक ज्ञान वापरतो. माझ्या ठिकाणी मी तुला ते ज्ञान का आणि कसं उद्भवले आणि ज्ञान उद्भवण्यापूर्वी काय कसं होते याचा कोण सांगत नाही.
all the so-called knowledge what we talk of is of the phenomenal world, of the objective world, of the material world. Nobody investigates about that beingness, the I amness. Material world knowledge comes when that I amness, that information, the movement starts. With the mind movement, when it begins, then whatever you try to acquire through that mind movement, we call kalana. Kalana means information, thought, movement. Out of that movement, whatever you get, that is a so-called knowledge. But nobody is trying to find out why and how this beingness has come about. But prior to the appearance, this stage nobody inquires into.
माझ्या उपयोगी मला पत्ताही नाही आहे की नाही आहे कसं हा कुठे प्रश्न येणार आवडतीने हा प्रश्न होता. पण त्यांच्या बारीकशा कायची ओळख झाल्यानंतर ते पुष्कळ पुष्कळ अवतारी निर्माण झालेले आहेत. पण ती ओळख त्यातून वाहिली आहे. मूळ रूपातून मूळ रूपातून नंतर मूळ रूपातून अगोदर मूळ रूप नंतर मूळ रूप मूळ रूपातून पुस्तका वाढत गेली. ज्ञान ज्ञान ज्ञानमय होऊन ज्ञानपणे वागतो.
Whatever knowledge, which was in the Mula root. Mula is the root cause, the source, in that infant, that ignorant beingness in latent condition, which was there, that's the Mula root. Then it became infant. Then it started knowing itself. I am the body, this is the mother, etc. And then it became mature. It got the warmth to receive external knowledge. That we call the warmth, ud.
आता बघताना सुद्धा बघा काय मला तेव्हा कामलेला कसा नाही त्याचा अवकाश आल्याबरोबर प्राण निघून गेला. प्राण निघून गेल्यानंतर काहीची नुसतं हळूहळू कमी झाली. आता ते सूट आणि ती पोटी थंड झाली. हळूहळू नंतर त्याचं काय झालं कोणला नाही. लौकिक ज्ञानामध्ये सगळे पालन करत आहेत. आत्मज्ञानाचा योग कसा आला ह्याचा जाणता कोणी नाही.
He earlier also he had said, with the association and the acquaintance of this body, I started knowing myself. Prior to this acquaintance with the body or the knowledge of the body, I did not know myself. I don't know what was. He says now, this I amness which is flowing, he said it was continuously flowing out of this food body essence. Now in due course, this so-called warmth of the beingness, in due course at appropriate time, it started getting cool. The vital breath left the body, and with beingness, the warmth of that cooled down. Then the doctors, they go on massaging the heart and the body, etc. But the warmth is not coming. Where is that beingness? Beingness went into no being.
चैतन्य प्रफुल्लपणे उद्भवलेलं आहे. पण त्याने त्याचं काही ज्ञान आहे. पण खूप चैतन्य उमरळीत झाले. तर तिथे कोण आहे काय आहे.
So long as the existence of that warmth of beingness is there, then that person is very great. He has acquired a certain status in the society. But once that warmth is gone, where is his greatness and where is he? Where is that person?
इकडे बरोबर ते दुसरे हे घ्या. म्हणजे काय आत्मा ते आमची कुणी वेगळा आत्मा त्याला ऊब मिळत नाही. तुला म्हणतो केव्हा म्हणतोय आता ऊब येणं शक्य नाही. आता ऊब असणे म्हणजेच आत्मा आणखी का वेगळा आत्मा.
Now he is asking, what is that Atma, what is that self? That very warmth which was there dwelling in the body, that warmth, that touch of beingness, is it itself the Atman or something else? When the beingness is gone, has the Atman also gone?
हे मला असं असं आहे. आता जुन्या खरड्यामध्ये जगा आहे पुरा आले पुराणा हो काय आमचे वेदांनी बोललेलं आहे. हो असं त्यांनी मला ऐकवले. पण माझ्या प्रत्येक जणांना ते पटत नाही. मी कधी म्हणजे माझा जो मी असण्याचा प्रश्न आहे त्याला मला ते फुटत नाही. मी असण्याचे प्रत्येक ज्ञानच कसे उद्याला एवढे ज्ञान होऊन झाले. तिकडे माझं लक्ष गेलेलं आहे. ते पंडित पुष्कळ वाचण्याचे भराभर विरोध करायला येतो. फक्त ऐकून येते. आपण आणि ज्ञान हा संधी कसा आणि हा कसा निर्माण झाला. आपण आत्मज्ञान मिळायचे ज्ञान निर्माण कसं झालंय माझ्या ठिकाणी. निर्माण होण्यापूर्वी काय कसा असावा नसावा म्हणावं तर ज्ञान नव्हते आता जाणता मी आहे. असल्याचे ज्ञान नव्हते माझ्या जाणता मी आहे. अशात मी नव्हते होते म्हणून प्रयत्न मग आता ही वस्तू काय आणि नंतर या ज्ञानाचा संधी कसा काय आला. तर मला माझ्या ध्यान योगामध्ये ज्ञानाची ज्ञान मिळून राहणे हा ध्यान योग. आत्मज्ञानाचे ज्ञान मिळून ज्ञानाने मिळून राहते. आत्मज्ञानाचे ज्ञान आत्मज्ञानाने मिळून राहते हा ध्यान योग.
He says how he got to the truth that I ever given. He says meditating, the meditator meditating on itself, on himself. That is the meditator, this beingness or I amness, meditating on I amness. This I amness merging into I amness. Then he understood what his true nature is or was. Earlier he said, suppose some person brings an ancient document, some ancient Vedas or something, and he reads out that these are the things which are prescribed, which are described in the ancient document. But Maharaj says, it does not tally with my direct knowledge about myself. So I just listen to it. Even though he might challenge, I am not going to reply. I simply accept it. I am not directly experienced. What I am trying to find out, I ever prevailed. I knew that this beingness was not. 100 years back, I knew this beingness was not, therefore I ever prevailed. Now, on that I, the eternal I, the absolute, how this beingness came into confluence? How did it come in contact? That I have to find out. So how did I find out? In meditation, my beingness merged into the beingness. Beingness meditated on beingness. And in this process, I realized my true nature.
आत्मज्ञानाचे मिळून घेतो मिळून राहिलं त्याच्यातून अमुक ठिकाणी वैकुंठ आहे कैलास आहे अमुक आहे अमुक आहे पाताळ लोक आहे त्याची अमुक वस्ती आहे त्या ठिकाणी अमुक वस्ती आहे त्यांनी शोध लावलेले आहे. आता हे अनेक अनेक देश आहेत तर ऋषी मुलांनी आपल्या ध्यानात शोध लावलेला असतात अतिंद्रिय दृष्टी. आता मी त्याच्यात मिसळून गेल्यानंतर ध्यानाचे ज्ञान येऊन झाल्यानंतर मला पण एक टीव्ही लेखावं आता त्याला टीव्ही लेखावं त्याच्यामध्ये आता नवला का तिथे सगळं त्याच्यात दोन आकृती मला दिसल्या आणि त्या दोन आकृतीचे प्रेमाचं मिलन हे पण दिसलं. वास्तविक आकृती नाही त्याला पण तिथे पाहण्यामध्ये आकृती निर्माण झाली म्हणजे दृष्टीमध्ये आकृती निर्माण करावं आणि त्या लोकांचा खुश योग बनला आणि त्याच्यात जे द्रवत्व निर्माण झाले ते दोन आकृती एका आकृतीमध्ये सामावते. दोन आकृतीपैकी एका आकृतीमध्ये सामावते आणि ते काही काळाने साकार अवस्थेला आले. हे माझ्या टीव्ही मध्ये पाहिजे आणि साकार हो त्याच्यामध्ये अवस्था निर्माण होत राहिली. जाग झोप आणि जाग त्याच्यात निर्माण झालं आणि नंतर त्याच्यामध्ये तयार झाले. त्या आकृतीला मूल असं नाव आलं. आता इथे पहा मला ते घरून प्रकृती म्हणून दोन परिचय दिसली आणि त्याच्या चिदानंदातून कोणाच्या जे काय एक देव निर्माण झाले. हे नंतर आईच्या कोठ्यामध्ये बळवत राहिलो. आणखी 9 महिन्यात त्याला आकार आला. 9 महिन्यात आकार आल्यानंतर ते पोचून झाले म्हणजे बाहेर निघाले. आणि त्याच्यात नंतर ही वाढ झाली तेव्हा त्या दोन आकृती ज्या दिसल्या त्या आकृतीमध्ये असलेले आत्मचैतन्य चेतन तेच पुन्हा 9 महिन्यामध्ये साकार झाले आणि त्याला मुलाची आकृती आहे. त्या मुलाची आकृती म्हणजे मी आहो हे तो कोणी काढला ती आकृती आणि त्या आकृतीमध्ये जी खूप निर्माण झाली ती वाटतं ज्ञान या गुण नावाला आहे. मी काय बोलतोय की लिंग द्यायचं उद्भव लिंग द्यायचं ओपन लिंग द्यायचं उद्भव लिंग द्यायचं ओपन आणि ते लिंग द्यायचं मी असल्याचे आत्मज्ञान अक्षर बघा जमतात अक्षर सांगायला जमतात.
Great sages, you see, they also did meditation in the same fashion. That is being, their beingness. I am merging into their beingness. In the process, you know, they discovered various countries like heaven and hell and various regions that they decoded and put in the scriptures.
हे मला कोणी सांगितलेलं नाही. काय म्हणतोय मी ज्ञानामध्ये ज्ञान मिळून गेले त्याच्या निर्माण झाल्याने दर्शक.
Nobody has told you, I have not collected this idea externally. They have sprouted in myself. So he says, similarly, just like the Rishis, I also meditated. My beingness merging into beingness. And I too saw a vision. What was that vision like? That was space initially. And in the space, I saw two principles, which in my vision appeared to be embodied. Two bodies I saw, but actually they had no bodies. But in my sight, they look like bodies, called Prakriti Purush. He termed them Prakriti Purush. And as a result of that blissful union, there had been certain emissions which were planted in the female aspect of those figures, and those emissions, when they merged together in the female aspect, in the womb of that female aspect, it started taking form. Now, in that form, what was planted? That dynamic consciousness, all prevailing consciousness, through these two aspects, male and female aspects, where also this consciousness was also planted in that formation, which was in a nascent state, in a dormant state. So in the 9 months, during the 9 months in the womb, it got its own form, body form. And finally, at the end of the 9 months, the child was delivered, the infant was delivered. So that consciousness which was planted in that infant state, in that womb, Maharaj says, that is the causal body, Sushmati, or actual body. What Lingadeha. But in English, causal body is called Lingadeha. And in that Lingadeha, that knowledge I am was in the dormant condition. That knowledge I was there already. And around that was the Lingadeha. So he says, understand this clear. I am just explaining to you what is the principle of the Lingadeha. And the knowledge I am, which is already there. This is during meditation. He said, yes, I said. He never collected it from outside. This is what he saw in the meditation. He not collected ideas or concepts.
But it's conceptually through this writings of the scriptures that you have three bodies, Lord's body, second body, and the council body.
No, that we have not mentioned. He is only saying about Lingadeha. This is what he says. He saw himself in his meditation. He did not collect it from any scripture or from anybody. He saw two aspects, male and female aspects, Prakriti and Purusha, and out of that infant was born through the Lingadeha formation. जड देह, सूक्ष्म देह आणि कारण देह. कारण देह.
कारणाचा अर्थ काय तुमचा?
What do you mean by causal body? कारण देह.
कारणाचा अर्थ का देहाचा नको बाबा.
You tell me what is karan, what is the cause?
So let me tell what is this is the gross body, and man buddhi chitta ahankar is the atma. It is the sukshma body, and I consciousness. When the consciousness first,
हे वाचलेलं ग्रंथात काय शब्द आहे?
He has already thrown it out. He said that ancient document was brought and he said, I have not experienced all that, and what is I experienced directly, I am
along with the term casual body, and I wanted to know from him of which it is made of. Now he has come to the point. I want to know from of which the casual body is.
So he will tell you. Don't take him out. It's your concept.
शेवटी जेव्हा ती कबूल लागली तो सुखम देवाला वाक्यावर भासतोय तरी ती गुण येत नाही. हा सुखम देवाला
That warmth of that beingness, even though the doctor is massaging, the warmth is not coming up. Is it not that Sukshma Deha?
त्यांच्यापेक्षा आणखी सुखम देव म्हणजे काय?
Could there be more subtle Deha or body than that beingness principle?
माणूस ईश्वर आहे प्रत्यक्ष, पण लौकिक ज्ञानामध्ये फसलाय.
Every being is potentially or directly he experiences the godly Ishvara state, but he is wrapped up in this objective world and he lost his identity.
सूक्ष्म सूक्ष्म कळते पण दिसणे शक्य नाही.
हो. The subtlest of the subtle is the beingness not pursued. No beingness.
याला सूक्ष्म देव नाही ठेवलं तर बरोबर आहे की नाही?
So therefore for beingness, can you not say subtle body?
पण तुम्ही आपल्या चतुर राहील लहान म्हणजे कोणत्या बनवले ते तुम्ही वापरला, पण तुम्ही वापरणार का आणि कसं निर्माण झालं ते पण बघतो. तो भले सांगतोय सुखम नको भोगण्याचा प्रसंग माझ्यावर आहे. सुखदुःख प्रत्यक्ष मी बघतो ते हे सुखदुःख भोगण्याचे कारण काय हे मला शोधलं पाहिजे, आणि ते कारण शोधल्यानंतर हा असा सर्व आहे अकल्पित कल्पना विरोध निर्माण झाला आहे. अकल्पित कल्पना विरोध निर्माण झाला.
This is the spiritual jargon as prescribed by the Vedas. You want to employ in your dialogue without understanding what it is. See, I am the sufferer or enjoyer of pleasure or pain. I must know what this I am principle is. I am trying to find out that. And this I amness has come out spontaneously. And with the appearance of this I amness, which is the primary concept, the riddle of concepts have begun. The problems of concepts have started. With the primary concept, I am.
everybody तुमचा शोध घेणार हे नाही करताय कसं जाणार. विषय म्हणजे तुम्हाला जर दृष्टीने आई बाबू बोला हा प्रकार संकल्प जर दृष्टीचा तिथपर्यंत आपण कसा आणि काय आई बाबाच्या काया संग्रहामध्ये माझी वस्तू होती मला प्रत्येक आहे. आई बाबाच्या काया संग्रहामध्ये माझी वस्तू होती असं मला दिसते आहे. ते काया संग्रहामध्ये काय ते पण मी आता घातलं आहे आणि ते प्रत्येक वास्तव उभी नव्हे आहे.
Now, how to go about in search of myself is the question. So let us start from the very grossest sense. So in this growth world, I start searching myself. So where do I begin? I begin with my parents. Because I know fully well, in the collection of that bodily element, my principle is already dwelling. It was dwelling. And out of that only I have emanated.
या जगातला आता व्यवसायात भाग घेऊन माझ्याकरता सदुपयोगी काय काय निर्माण होऊ शकेल? सदुपयोगी माझ्याकरता काय निर्माण होऊ शकेल? पक्षात जगामध्ये छोटे नाते
Is a misunderstanding. If I try to find out in this wide world something very useful to me, can I get anything? You misunderstand. Because earlier also he said, I came to the conclusion in search of my.
सहन होण्याकरता अनुभव करावा लागेल हे करून देतो. पण माझ्या आत्मा म्हणतो आहे काय तू वागूला म्हणजे आहे ना. माझ्या गुरु मला म्हणतो आहे तू वागू का मिळायला पण बघा सुखाच्या सेवेमध्ये संतांच्या सेवेमध्ये झाला ना.
One simple meeting is love and surrender to Buddha, and everything else stops. Nothing else is necessary. All is something. All knowledge is something.
असं गेलं घालून आजा पडला असं गेलं एवढं. आणि विश्वास म्हणजे विश्वास पाहिजे करू त्याच्या आचार्याला खरी माझ्या भरली निघणार नाही. माझा धर्म हलत नसेल तर भरली निघणार बरं का म्हणजे बाबा थोडीशी पण विषयाची पाहिजे. बाबा थोडीशी विषयाची पाहिजे. निंबाच्या बाहेर मिथ्याच आहे. म्हणतो काय मग सगळ्या जुवाच्या बाजूला मिथ्याच आहे. चला झाला
no problem now.
8th May 1980.
All those days including yesterday. Because my God is in it. I feel that I am now vice based in the right track. And I beseech his guest so that I can get established in this knowledge.
एवढे दिवस मी ऐकलं आहे आपल्याकडून ते मला आता समजलं असं वाटतं आणि आपल्या कृपेने जे मी आता समजलो आहे ते स्थिर होईल अशी आशा करतो.
But I am feeling all the Krishna said, all the prophets saw. You see, in a physical sense, I can say I am seeing the light now. I have got what I want, and the only thing remains to cultivate it and to make it my absolute goal.
आतापर्यंत जे अस्पष्ट असं वाटत होतं
My Sadguru, after long search in the back end of my life, and I do believe that my Sadguru will bring me to my journey's end.
त्याच्यामध्ये ज्ञान भरपूर आहे परंतु व्यवहारचा लोक लौकिक ज्ञान आहे. व्यवहार एवढा होतो आहे
तो लौकिक
लौकिक ज्ञानाचा होतो. पण व्यवहार ज्याला जाणवतो आहे ते ज्ञान लौकिकही नाही अलौकिक.
There's plenty of knowledge in the world, but all that knowledge refers to only the world. And this knowledge, which you are getting here, will be of no use to you in the world.
Yes.
व्यक्ती जीवनाची काळजी वाहतो
हो.
आणि व्यक्ती जीवनात त्या संसार करतो आहे.
हो. Every person is worried about his life in the world. And whatever he wants refers to whatever he can get in the world. As an individual. As an individual.
पासून त्याच्या शेवट ओळखेपर्यंत ते ज्ञानाचे लौकिकच ज्ञान. पण ज्याला जाणणार आहे
हो. हो.
आणि त्यात असून अनुस्पासून आहे